I found the best way to stop the needle and the needle plate from gobbling up this point is to use a leader cloth to keep the thread taut and take it in just a little bit beyond the edge. So you miss a stitch there, that doesn't matter, as long as it doesn't get chewed up at the end. I've just been going through a few gadgets that I like, and I thought I'd show them to you. This is one that's great for cutting off the peaks, the dog ears, before you start. Makes it very easy to match up. Just line it up and take them off before you even start. That's from Marty Mitchell. And another thing I like to do, because I used to make a lot of shirts, I haven't made one for a while now, is to keep the buttons in the amount I need for a shirt in pill bottles, pill containers. And it works well. I can see the colour and I can just take it out, match it to the shirt, and it works. I've been using heat erasable pens, but I like this one too. It's a Soline pen and it's air erasable. It eventually goes, and it does. I've tried it on, well, I usually use cotton anyway, but I've tried it on other fabrics and it does just disappear. I've had one of these for years. I used to like to put my own seam on when I was sewing shirts because I used a different seam to the 5/8. This one's very, very old, and you can just mark it like that. I use a 1 centimetre seam, and I can just run it like that. I bought a new one. This one's so old that the plastic has yellowed. And while we're on the subject, this stuff I've been using for patterns, and it really lasts. It's great stuff. It's actually a flooring, like a drop cloth for floors, to protect floors when work is being done. But it works perfectly for this. It's called Ram Board, and I would recommend it. I did a video once before about it, but that was a long time ago. And I really would recommend it. I'd just about run out of my usual pattern card, and this is perfect. I don't have to worry. It's very cheap too. A huge big roll is just, I don't know, $40, $50 or something. Cheaper than proper pattern cardboard. And these are great too, little gauges. Covers just about everything you need to gauge. It's got centimetres and I've got one with inches. Magnetic pin tray, which I love. Makes life easier. It's got a good strong magnet on it too. At one time I thought I could do sashiko because it looks fascinating, but then I realised that I'm a lousy hand sewer. I'm not very good at all. The thread always tangles no matter what I do. So I bought this and it helps a little. It's beeswax and you just run it through like that. And it stops the thread from tangling. I still don't think I'll do sashiko though, it's beyond me. I've been working on my latest thing, which is the Lemoyne Star, and I had to change programs because the one I was doing was acting a bit strange, and I've had to register it and stuff, and it's also difficult. I mean, I'm what they call the elderly these days, so it doesn't come easy. But I think I've got it figured out now, and I can finish the Lemoyne Star, which is great. Well, that's it for this lot. Thank you for watching. Well, that's my morning so far. I hope these little things will help you a bit. They certainly make my life easier. Back to work. Now I've got my program running, I can get some things done, which is fantastic. Either that or go to bed, I think. I'm so exhausted from it all. I envy these young people who find all this so easy. I really do. If you like this video, please like and please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.